Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Vision Classes online module. We are back here with the third part of the letter writing series. Again in this video we are going to look into one formal and one informal letter. So the question is, use the following information and write a letter as per the guidelines. You are Kavin or Kavita Ghadge staying at A705 Lavkush Apartments, Sector 3, Airoli, Navi Mumbai and the pin code. Your locality has been facing continuous power cuts in the evening for the past 2 weeks, and your semester exams are right around the corner. Write a letter to your aunt Priyanka, who stays in Navi Mumbai, requesting her to let you stay at her place so that you can study for your semester exam. Okay, so this is what the question is. So we'll be using this address, we'll be using this name. We are going to write this letter to our aunt and explaining her the reason why you would be staying at her place and what would be your motive behind it. So we read the so I have used the same address followed by comma A705 followed by comma, again the apartment name comma, the area followed by comma, and the place, the Navi Mumbai with a pin code. Do not end it with a full stop over here. We add a date over here, and so I've read it. I'll read the answer. Dear Aunt Priyanka, I hope this letter finds you and Uncle well. How is Ritika? Mom told me that Ritika had visited Mumbai last week. I am sure you must have pampered her a lot. You must have cooked all her favorite dishes and must have enjoyed a lot. Now that Ritika has left for Bangalore, you must be missing her a lot. Do not worry, Auntie. I am planning to fill the void by visiting your place. Actually, my semester exams are right around the corner and our locality is facing an incessant power failure in the evenings since last 2 weeks. This is creating obstacles in my studies. We have complained several times about this to the concerned authorities but did not get any response from them. You know that this exam will bring a life-changing opportunity if I pass with flying colors. Thus, I do not want to ruin even a single moment because of such trivial reason. So, I would like to stay at your place for a couple of days until the power failure issue resolves. Do let me know whether it is all right for me to come over. Ultimately, if I am there with you, you will miss Ritika a little less. Hoping for your early favorable response. Give my regards to Rishabh uncle, your loving nephew, followed by a comma and the name. So Kavita. So this is how I've written the entire letter into 3 paragraphs. The main gist is in the second paragraph, which should cover, actually the second paragraph should cover the entire gist. The first paragraph should have introduction and the last one a conclusion with some regards. Yes, so this is the next question. Same question, but this time we are going to write a formal letter. Write a letter to the grievance redressal officer at Maharashtra State Electricity Board to request them for a solution for the same. And they have given us the address for the same. So we'll be using this address as theirs. This address is ours, the name, and write a letter to the grievance redressal officer. Okay, so we see the letter. So this is our formal letter, left hand side, our address followed by date to the entire address as it is, each line followed by a comma. We write a subject, grievance regarding incessant power failure since last 2 weeks. I've written the letter as, respected sir, I, Master Kavin Ghadge, am a resident of the above mentioned address. I have written this letter to inform you that it is more than a week now that we are facing consistent power failure issue every evening. We have our semester exams soon and the loss of power leads to obstacle in our studies. It is causing inconvenience not only to the students but also to the other residents of the locality. I request you to take prompt action in the matter. The residents of the locality had not complained to you earlier as they had expected your department to realize its basic civic obligation and wake up to its duty. They have the right to complain since they themselves are prompt and punctual taxpayers. Please look into the matter at your earliest. Thanking you in anticipation. Yours sincerely, Kavin Khadge. So this is the way you are going to write this in the formal letter, again in 3 paragraphs only. So here we end with the 3 letter writing series, the series with 3 letters, formal as well as informal. So please do let us know whether you like our videos, and do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.